How to properly take care of your Lavex Janitorial stick vacuum. Emptying the dust cap and changing the filter. First, press the easy release button to empty any debris from the dustbin. Remove the dust cap by twisting counterclockwise until it unlocks. Remove the sponge filter by pulling on the tab. Then remove the stainless steel filter. Wash the sponge and stainless steel filters. Run cold water only over the outside of the filter until the water runs clear. Next, squeeze and twist the filter with both hands to remove excess water. Lay the filters on their side to dry and let them dry completely for at least 24 hours. Reinstall both filters. Finally, reattach the dustbin. Washing the roller brush. First, disconnect the power supply and slide down the brush lock. Unlock the brush latch. Remove the roller brush and wash the brush with water. Let it dry for 24 hours. Reinstall the roller brush into the brush head. Taking proper care of your Lavex Janitorial stick vacuum extends the life of your unit.